They have
all
to be
brought a copy
filed.
up to you. I'm not going to argue with you.
Well, you better not.
We'll just take it up later.
Miss Gillette, who is the judge here? I am not going to accept your behavior. You're putting me in a position where I'm going to have to find you in contempt of court if you're going to act like this.
I don't have the original, Judge. I can't get it to you. We filed them this morning. That's all I can tell you.
Miss Gillette, you are not listening to me. And you're being contemptuous. It looks like Attorney William McClendon represented you before and even represented you as recently as November.
Your Honor, I have trust issues. I can't trust nobody to get a hold of my money. Because if somebody gets a hold of my money, I'm gonna beat the
District Court of Greenwood County, Kansas. County Attorney Jill Gillette appearing for the state. Mr. Tyler Lee McClure appearing in person, in custody, and pro se. You are Tyler McClure?
ma'am.
Sir, you are here on a warrant to show cause why your probation should not be revoked. This was filed by Judge Charles Hart. And in that warrant, it is alleged that you have violated your probation by failing to report to your ISO and follow instructions on a regular basis. Also, you violated by failing to notify your ISO of changes in residence or employment. And at the time of the filing of the warrant, November 15th, 2024, had been your last contact with Community Corrections, and they no longer knew your address. This is all according to an affidavit supplied by your ISO, Ed Ketley, on December 20th of 2024. You are entitled to representation at a hearing to determine if these allegations are true or not, and to determine what the consequence should be if they are true. So at this time, are you able to hire an attorney, or do you need to apply for court appointed?
I need court appointed.
Are you employed at this time?
Yes, ma'am.
And where do you work?
Right now, I work at got my own company. I work my own company down in Galveston, Texas.
And what's the name of your company there in Galveston?
McClure's Construction.
What's the name of it again?
McClure's Construction.
Oh, McClure Construction. And what do you make per month there?
700.
700 a month.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you file on your 2024 income tax as income?
I didn't get to because I was in Texas. I need to be in Texas to make that, to file my stuff. I don't.
What did you file on your tax returns for 2023 as your income?
I was stuck in Your Honor, I was stuck in Kansas for since 2018. I couldn't do none of that because all my stuff, all my electronic stuff are in Galveston, Texas. I can't file nothing. When I'm stuck in Kansas, I can't file nothing. If I'm stuck
so your business
is in Galveston, Texas.
Construction from Galveston, Texas,
does not follow me up here.
Okay, you have been stuck, as you said, in Kansas since 2018. What causes you to be stuck in Kansas since 2018?
I've had a car accident in 2018.
You had a car accident?
Yes, ma'am. I've lost my company truck, not my company truck, but one of my trucks that I was supposed to drive back to Galveston with a bunch of tools that I had from my grandparents' house.
All right. So you had an accident in your company truck?
No, it was not my business truck. It was my personal truck.
All right, so you wrecked your personal truck in Kansas in 2018,
Yes, ma'am.
and you've never been back to your business in Texas since then?
No,
All right, so is it fair to say you do not have a business in Texas
I
anymore?
still have, ma'am, Your Honor. I still have a business. I just need to get down there to get it back in. I mean, I have an employee that's taking over my business, but it's not going as well. I'm fixing to I'm getting get bankrupt.
All right, sir, so your business has been in effect and someone's operating it for the past 7 years while you're stuck, as you say, in Kansas?
I'm still the boss. I'm the boss of the job.
All right, so what was your income in 2023?
I don't know. I don't have my computer here with me. My computer's not in Kansas, Your Honor.
Well,
I'm
did
trying
you
to.
file a tax return in 2023?
Can I get a computer? Do I have a computer? I never
Sir,
brought a
it's a
computer with me
simple
to
question,
Kansas.
sir. Did you or did you not file a state or federal income tax for the year 2023?
Yes, but I didn't get to.
And you have no idea how much money you made in 23?
No, I have no idea because I'm not in Kansas. I'm not in Texas, and plus I'm in the Air Force in Texas.
All right, so you are in the Air Force?
Yes,
Okay, and where are you stationed?
the San Antonio, Lacking.
When was the last time you were in San Antonio?
No shit. A while, a little while. I'm not dishonored. I'm still honorable to go back. I'm just not.
So you have been stuck, and I'll keep using your phraseology here, or your terminology. You've been stuck in Kansas for 2018, but you're stationed in San Antonio, Texas in the airport
Yes,
or Air Force.
yes. And
Do they,
my
does,
recruiter already
do your
knows this.
commanders know where you are?
Yes, my commanders know where I'm at. They just don't have the time to come pick me up, get me. Obviously,
Hmm. So you haven't done any service for the Air Force since 2018 either?
I'm still in the service. I'm just waiting for it to go back. I've been stuck here and I've been trying to go back. That's what I've been doing. What the warrant was here when I was going to do.
Okay,
To bring
sir, what I'm
back.
gonna have to do on the issue of attorney, you're going to have to fill out a court-appointed attorney application, and you're going to have to put specific information, or I cannot have the taxpayers pay for your attorney. I don't know if you need one or not. You
I
may
do
have
need
made
one.
a
I
lot.
can't get, Your Honor. I can't get to my money right now. My
Why not?
money, my
Why
wallet,
can you not? What's,
because my wallet is in Texas, Your Honor.
so you wrecked your truck up here in Kansas, but you left your driver's license in Texas.
Well, basically, I don't have my bank cards in my wallet. My bank cards don't come with me.
Who do you live with when you're not in custody?
By myself, I
Um,
don't lose nobody. I have
What,
trust issues.
what town do you live in?
Wichita,
What brings you to Greenwood County?
I don't freaking know.
Deputy, how did he get into your jail?
I'm not sure, and I think it was a probation violation is why he's here right now. I'm
Well, yes, he's here
unaware.
on a probation violation. I'm just trying to figure out where he's from and what his circumstances are to see if he's entitled to an attorney. Well, I'm not going to keep going in circles with you on that issue. If you want a court-appointed attorney, fill out the application. Deputy, please make sure he gets one.
Yeah.
Get that back to me today if you'll fill it out. Judge Hart will hear your show cause. And Missy, what date does he have for that? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
April 24th at 9 o'clock.
You must be back here in person, not by Zoom, in person at the courthouse. You said April 24th at 10 o'clock?
9. 9.
All right, you have to be back here live in person, April 24th at 9 o'clock. Judge Hart will hear the evidence against you to decide if your probation should be revoked. I suspect you're probably eligible for a court-appointed attorney, but you're kind of walking and talking in circles here so that I can't make a good record of that. So get that filled out. Get that back to me today. Your bond has been set by Judge Hart at $20,000 cash or professional surety required. Are you able to make that bond at this time, sir?
I'm working on it, ma'am.
And how are you working on it?
I have friends that have money that can actually get me out on that $20,000 bond, which is 10% of $2,000.
I am going to, as an additional condition of your bond, add that if you do make bonds, you're required to wear an ankle bracelet or an ankle monitor, and you are not to leave the state of Kansas until you've seen Judge Hart April 24th at 9 o'clock.
Judge, if he makes bond, he to be here in person.
That's what I told him. Looks like looks like you just admitted to probation violations November 14th of 2024. Also, you're required to make sure that you see your ISO as soon as you bond out and to keep him posted as to where you are at all times as far as contact information. Anything further we need to address, Ms. Gillette?
I can't think of anything, Your Honor.
All right. These friends that are helping you come up with the money to bond out, perhaps they can get a hold of whoever's filing your tax returns and give you the money information to fill out on your application today, so we can look at getting you a court-appointed attorney. It looks like Attorney William McClendon represented you before and even represented you as recently as November.
Your Honor, I have trust issues. I can't trust nobody to get a hold of my money. Because if somebody gets a hold of my money, I'm gonna beat the fuck out of somebody.
All right. Your language is unacceptable. It's
I'm scared.
contemptuous, and
I'm
do
sorry.
do not do it again.
I'm sorry for my cussing, but still, I don't have the
All
right
right.
trust
Well,
issues.
I'm going to let you go at this time. You're remanded to the custody of the Greenwood County Sheriff. And Deputy, please have him work on that application.
Yes,
Thank you.